It is March 14th, 2019, and I just drove my Tesla Model X all the way to Hawthorne, California for the Model Y launch event. It's happening tonight. Elon is going to release the mini Tesla Model X, or the mid-sized SUV Tesla. There's been some things that have leaked about this car, but a lot of it is still unknown, and also there may be some surprises tonight. I'm gonna take you guys along, show you my experience at the Model Y event, and then also, as somebody that owns 2 Model X's myself, I would love to give you my thoughts on whether I'm going to switch to the Model Y, and if so or if not, the reasons why or why not. So I'm excited. So we've made it to the actual event. This is the Tesla design studio behind me, and then over here are the superchargers. Now what's cool is some of them say coming soon because they're already getting the version 3 superchargers ready. I'm here 2.5 hours early. Turns out there's nobody in line. So I'm gonna go and stand in line and be the only person in line. Look at this guy walking up right now. Okay, so here's my buddy Sam Sheffer.
It's like we were just here for boring.
We're the only ones in line right now. Number 1 and number 2. Wait, how many iPhone things you camped out for?
3G, 3GS, 4, 4S, I think the 5, and then I started in it, but I've done my fair share of camping.
He's camped out for so many iPhones
overnight
before.
Though. This is like 2 hours.
Yeah,
this
well,
is easy.
At the same time, I don't think it gives you any early access. We'll find out. All right, here comes trouble right here. There's Ben. Hey, how's it going?
Nice
Good to finally meet you.
Okay,
what's the secret tonight? What's gonna happen?
SNX update.
Okay, all right. How about you? What do you think?
I'm gonna say pickup truck.
That would be good, like a teaser or something,
I
like
think,
a picture.
No,
more info.
The Y is gonna roll off the back of the truck.
The Model Y is such a big event that Starman even left his car in space just to come back for this. So yeah, there's Starman. He's here. He arrived.
QR code's ready. As soon as this family passes, we're gonna start checking you in.
Okay.
First 5 people. 1.
Thank you. Here we go. We're heading into the event. First one in. I got my badge. This is it. A very red room. There's a stage over here. There's the cameras. Here's a stage. Here's the teleprompters. This is the spot. We are a couple minutes away. We just got word that to not stick our cameras out like this because Elon will be right there in front of us. Any thoughts on tonight?
We know what we're getting with Model Y. I'm just hoping for like a little extra surprise.
Extra surprise.
A little Model S, Model X refresh maybe.
Okay.
Maybe some Roadster test drive, something.
I could use a Roadster. Either one of those are good. I think strategically a truck could be a really good option because Rivian is really making good progress, especially with Amazon coming on board with the truck right now. There's a lot of hype. It would make sense strategically for Tesla to roll out the truck and show you the truck or show you renderings or something and say, it's coming 2020, mid-year, or something like that. That would make sense. Is it gonna happen? You guys probably already know, but there's our thoughts before this thing goes down. Look at those shoes.
Nice kicks.
So let's take a look at the first car we ever made, the Tesla Roadster.
Yes.
If you go back 11 years today, Tesla had made one car, that car. That's serial number 1 of Tesla.
Whoa.
So that's my car actually.
Woo!
0 to 60. So we expect to have an EPA range of, an actual true usable range of 300 miles. Seat 7, 66 cubic feet, have a $39,000 price point. So,
That's a good looking car, I gotta be honest, especially with the blue. I could drive that. I wouldn't drive a Model 3. I think it's just too small for me. But this is in a great price range. It's a good looking car, has some extra room in the back, potential for the 7 seats. I like it. I really like it. All right, Marquez has never seen the Roadster. It's right over there, buddy. Check it out. But I'm just over here in love with the Roadster. This is Elon Musk's #1 first ever Roadster right there. And then this is the next gen Roadster that should be coming out in 2020 or 2021. I love it. I can't wait to get it. So they have the Roadster, the old one, the new one, the semi-truck, like everything's lined up over there. But they did say that if you come out back, they're gonna bring that blue Model Y out for people to go on rides in. So we're gonna go outside and check it out. I don't know what the line's gonna be like. If it's just that one car, we could be waiting for a few hours. We're getting in. I'm getting in right now to the.
Can you get in on the other side?
Oh, okay, yeah. All right, I'm not getting in. I'm going to the other side. Can we fit 4 people? 3 people in the back seat.
It's in the middle, maybe.
Oh. So you can see where my head is right now. Like I'm pretty much touching the top. The seats might be different in the configuration once it's actually the production model, but the back seats, there's no way an adult's gonna sit back there in those 2 seats. It's kind of reminiscent of the Model S. Yeah, it's pretty tight back there. Here we go. We're heading out of the Tesla. So I went on my ride. I've been able to see it come through a few times. One thing that I noticed was that the glass panel roof goes all the way across. That looks pretty good. I was kind of hoping for the Model X style windshield. The other thing that I thought was interesting is the very, very back for the 2 extra seats. I was pumped when Elon showed it on stage. He said, there's gonna be 7 seats in this thing. But then if you sit back and you actually look at it, first of all, me sitting in the middle row, if I look back, there's a fabric bar that goes across that's actually lower than where my head is. I don't even know that you could fit a car seat back there, let alone like an actual adult. If you're going to be getting the Y versus the Model 3, you're going to be getting the Y for the extra storage space in the back and for being a little bit higher off the ground. And so don't put those seats back there. That just cuts into your storage space and you can just have a 5-seater, little bit bigger Model 3 that is electric car, fully autopilot, all of those things that you'd need in a Model Y. It's a great car. This is version 3 supercharging. Usually the highest you can get is 113 kilowatts on your car. When you first plug in, this is almost halfway through its charging. It's already slowed down a bit and it's at 167 kilowatts per hour. That's insane. So for those of you that know Teslas, you can see that cable. It is thinner, but the Tesla charging stand looks just the same. So yes, please Elon, get this for the S and the X. I need this in my life. I'm going on a road trip tonight for 6.5 hours. I need that version 3 supercharger. I'm now in Victorville, California, which is like an hour and 20 minutes outside of Hawthorne. I'm at Denny's, late night food while I upload the footage and edit. So a few final thoughts. The main question I started out with was, will I sell my Model X for this Model Y? And the answer is no. The Model Y has a good price, it's a good car. If you're somebody that's looking for a Tesla, you have 1 or 2 kids, and this fits within your price range, I say go for it. It's a great car, and I'm super excited for it to come out in 2020 and the lower cost edition in 2021. Maybe my favorite part was not only seeing the Roadster, but also having Marquez Brownlee see it for the first time. His eyes just lit up. We were able to go inside of the ropes and get some pictures and video, like really close up. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think about the Model Y? Huge thanks to Tesla and Elon Musk for putting on an event like this and giving me the opportunity to ride in the Model Y. If you ever have a chance to go to a Tesla event, definitely do it. Anyway, thanks for watching.
The Model X is like, as a car, it's like a Fabergé egg meets a spaceship. It's like, it was insanely difficult. But it is